Today, I want to show you how you can make your own lemon oil. It's cheap, you can use it for lots of things, and it smells like heaven. So let's get started and try making our own lemon oil. First of all, you need lemons, of course. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a vegetable peeler and a lemon, and we're going to just peel it. So we're going to peel off strips of lemon, just like I'm doing here, and you can see how fast it goes. And you know, make sure you're going someplace where they have inexpensive fruit. You don't need fancy lemons to make this. You're going to put it into a jar that has a cover. Then we're going to pour coconut oil over it, and you want to cover the lemons. Then we're going to put the lid on, give it a little shake, and we're going to sit it in the sun for a couple of weeks and give it a little shake every other day just to mix it. After a couple of weeks, you'll strain out the peels and keep the oil in your labeled container. Now, what can you do with this lemon oil? Well, number one, you can do what I do, and you can clean your shower doors with it. You take a scrubbing sponge, you put a little of the lemon oil on it, and you just start going over that shower door with it. It does a great job. It removes soap, scum, mineral deposits, and after you're done, you'll take a microfiber cloth. You know, I always say how much I love these, and you'll buff that door off. It leaves a protected coating on, so you won't have such a hard time cleaning it the next time. It's safe, it's natural, it smells heavenly. I wish you could smell it over here. Now, what else can you do? You can make your own dust cloths out of it. Now, these will be lemon oil treated dust cloths. We're going to take microfiber cloths, and I do 5 or 6 of these at a time. And we're going to take our lemon oil, and normally I would put this in a little smaller bottle. We're going to put just a little of the oil onto our cloths. Just drizzle it on like that. Then you're going to fold it over again. You're going to fold it again, and you're going to twist and twist. Squeeze it really well in your hands. That makes it get through the cloth. Then you're going to put it away in your container. You're going to cover that container and leave it closed. And when you're ready to dust, all you have to do is pull out your container and start dusting. Leaves a great shine, leaves a great smell, doesn't put too much polish on your furniture. Now, for those of you who want to know how to make lemon polish that you can use, it's really easy. We're going to take a cup of olive oil. Now, it doesn't need to be extra virgin or the most expensive brand that's out there. And you're going to put in 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Now, you can use it out of a bottle, or you can actually squeeze a lemon. Whatever you want to do is fine. You're going to put the lid on. Make sure you label it. Give it a good shake to emulsify it. Think about like you're making maybe salad dressing. Shake it well, and when you're ready to dust, you'll put just a little on your cloth and dust with it. It puts a great shine on the furniture. It smells wonderful, and it's so good for conditioning your furniture. So give it a try. It's an easy way to make your own lemon oil. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.